So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Tkinter, which is a GUI based which is a Python based library for making GUIs, that is graphical user interfaces or applications from Python. So for that we will be needing some things. Firstly, we will be needing Python, and second will be VS Code. Let's open our VS Code and select a folder where we will be installing our Tkinter. Okay, and then click here and create your virtual environment venv, and then select Python. This will take some seconds and this will create a virtual environment which will you can say collect your all project dependencies in a single package. So it is being created. So yeah, it is done. We can verify its installation by clicking on terminal and then your terminal. Here you can see a pop-up which is saying Python virtual environment was successfully activated. Now what you have to do is just type pip install Tkinter. So just a second. Sorry, we need to type pip install tk, not Tkinter. So it will be installed. So our Tkinter package is installed now. We can check by creating a new file here. Name it as test.py and then just type import Tkinter as tk. Then print imported. Then now let's run this program in a terminal. So here you can see this imported line, which simply means both these lines are getting executed and this is importing Tkinter package. So that means our Tkinter is successfully installed. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.